Discover the latest and most creative ways to earn money online in 2024 with Google Bard. This AI, rivaling ChatGPT, allows you to potentially make up to $500 per day effortlessly. No expertise or tech skills needed. Our video guides you through the process with tips and tricks. Stay tuned for a step-by-step method to kickstart your journey towards earning your first $500 today. Your financial future is just a click away. Let's dive right in.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
The initial destination on our virtual journey is Google, where we embark on a quest to explore the acclaimed website known as Listverse. To initiate this digital expedition, let's type the keywords Listverse into the search bar. A click on the provided link will seamlessly transport us to the intriguing world of listverse.com. Listverse, a platform renowned for its unique approach, compensates individuals generously for contributing compelling top 10 articles. Picture this: top 10 actresses, top 10 pet breeds, and an array of diverse top 10 themes await creative minds like yours and mine. The cherry on top? A handsome payment of $100 for each published article. Fear not if crafting articles is not your forte, for we are about to unleash the power of Google Bard. In just a heartbeat, Google Bard will transform our ideas into eloquent prose. Now, observe the plethora of top 10 articles gracing the homepage, ranging from extraordinary animal migrations to cinematic masterpieces. To dive deeper into this treasure trove of content, let's navigate to the More tab and gracefully click on Write and Get Paid. Behold, on the subsequent page, the promise of a $100 reward for your creative endeavors. No need to be a literary virtuoso. All that's required is a command of the English language akin to a native speaker, a sprinkle of humor, and a penchant for the unusual and intriguing. Here's the simple equation. Draft a minimum of 10 items for your top 10 list, submit it by clicking the designated link, and await the triumphant reply of "Great, we'll publish it." The cherry on top? A swift $100 delivered straight to your PayPal account. For those uninitiated in the realm of PayPal, fret not. Creating an account is a breeze. Simply head to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. Now, armed with the knowledge of Listverse's bounty and the seamless wonders of Google Bard, let's embark on the quest to generate our very own top 10 article. To kick off this creative process, we'll venture to bard.google.com, a realm that surpasses even the capabilities of ChatGPT. If you haven't experienced the prowess of Google Bard, you're in for a treat. And the best part, it's free. With a simple command like write a blog article about a top 10 list, we invoke the mighty Google Bard. Behold the magic as Google Bard conjures up a meticulously crafted top 10 list, such as the top 10 tips for creating the perfect blog post. But what if our creative energies yearn for a pet-focused masterpiece? Fear not, for a mere request to Bard, create a top 10 list of pets. Yields a splendid compilation of the finest furry companions, ready to grace the pages of Listverse. So, armed with Google Bard's prowess and the vast expanse of Listverse's topics, let's embark on our journey to captivate and inspire with our unique top 10 article.
Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's embark on the next step of our digital journey. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to venture into the realm of Google Docs. Begin by conducting a search for Google Docs on Google. Once the results unveil the magic, click on the first link and create a pristine blank page. Now, return to the mighty Google Bard and gracefully copy the enchanting top 10 list that Bard has so skillfully woven into existence. Glide back to your Google Docs sanctuary and paste this literary masterpiece. But my fellow script maestro, the journey doesn't end here. Time to transform this raw creation into a polished gem. Adjust the spacing, weave in some formatting magic, and make your article a beacon of neatness. Picture it as a canvas where every word finds its perfect place, creating a symphony of visual delight. Once satisfied with the presentation, it's time to take this creation back to Listverse, where your literary prowess shall meet its monetary reward. Hover your mouse over More, click on Submit a List, and unveil your creation to the world. Fill in a form with your identity, be it your name or a nickname, your email address, that all-important PayPal email address, and a brief introduction about the maestro behind the script. Take a moment to acknowledge the significance of that PayPal email address. It's the gateway through which the golden reward of $100 shall flow into your digital coffers. Now, christen your list with a captivating title, offer a brief introduction to entice the reader, and then paste the meticulously crafted list from Google Docs into the designated box. A click on the checkbox signals your agreement to the terms and conditions, and with conviction, press the Submit List button. Your creation is now on its way to potential publication and financial gain. As we revel in the joy of potential earnings, let's unfold another chapter in the saga of online income, this time with the magic of artificial intelligence. Our gaze shifts towards the YouTube realm, where the channel Most Amazing Top 10 beckons us. This channel, boasting over 7 million subscribers, thrives on the simplicity of stock videos and voiceovers, shunning the need for faces or elaborate production. A visit to Social Blade reveals an estimated monthly income of nearly $20,000, with an annual sum surpassing $200,000, all from faceless videos employing stock footage. Now, let me illuminate a path for you to traverse this lucrative avenue independently. No need for fancy editing skills or vocal prowess. Let the AI take the reins. Recall the article we submitted to Listverse. It serves as our content foundation. Take that very article, courtesy of Bard, and let's give it a new life in the realm of nvideo.io, an AI video editor par excellence. The first step on this journey is to create an account. Effortlessly, scroll up and click on Try nvideo AI, guiding you to a seamless registration page where you can join using Google, Apple, or an email address. Opt for the convenience of Google, log in, and unlock the potential of this powerful technology. Click on Select Workflow and choose the YouTube Shorts option. Now, in the first box, transplant the title from Google Bard, and beneath it, paste the entire list. With a click on Generate a Video, the magic unfolds. In mere minutes, nvideo.io, adorned with a 4.8-star rating on Capterra, 4.6 on Trustpilot, and 4.8 on G2, begins crafting your video. It analyzes your prompt, prepares diligently, and then seeks your input on the audience, look and feel, and platform. For pet lovers, select Bright for the look and feel, and for the platform, opt for YouTube Shorts. Continue the journey by pressing on. Before you know it, your AI-generated video, a testament to the marvels of technology, stands ready for your scrutiny. Review it, ensure perfection, and with confidence, download the masterpiece. Now, take this creation and unveil it to the world on YouTube. Watch as the viewers flock to your channel, drawn by the allure of faceless, AI-generated videos. With consistency in this endeavor, you may find yourself reaping rewards comparable to, if not surpassing, the illustrious channel we explored earlier.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.